with
when
you.
I die
Why
video
Jesus?
ends. Help. Laggy. Checking the chat. Let's go. Nice sunglasses. Let's check where the bot spawned. Oh no. I will not have enough time. I'm going with option number 2. Someone is already down. They gave up. Let's go in the danger. Miss Girl really wanted
There
$20.
wasn't
Even any danger. Run, 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 run.
16 times the detail. 16 times the detail.
Saving the homie.
16 times the detail.
Pizza!
Ooh.
Detail. 16 times the detail. 16
Hoping
times
for
the
someone to
detail.
help.
16 times the detail. 16 times the detail. 16 times. 16 times the detail.
My savior.
16 times the detail. 16 times the detail. 16 times.
She's dodging those bots like a queen.
Pizza!
16 times the detail. 16 times the detail. 16 times.
If free 1230 for RRR ever see this video. Thank you so much. Let's try to survive this round 2. They are spawning really far. This is a good hiding place. Protecting just in case. I'll stay here to see if some people come. Struggling to get on the trampoline. I got on it, but I backed off. I quit. Is that Popcat? I fell. Guess I'll go run a bit. Not the Cheeto Dustwify. Girl, stop moving. I want to help you. Here we go. Have a great day, Cheeto Dustwify girl.
Chuckle nuts! Think fast, chuckle nuts! Think fast, chuckle nuts! Think fast, chuckle nuts!
At least I'm not alone. Never mind. What is she doing? Bye-bye. Still hoping. Guess it's the end.